Jamaica scamming culture is insane. And I call it culture because it's not even just a lifestyle. It's like a cultural thing ingrained in a certain portion of the population. Um, and I feel like people who scam are people who are so poor in mind and depraved, right? Because it's coming from a place of such lack that they really feel like this unethical way is the only way in which they can have this lifestyle that they perceive. But let me get into it. I'm an Airbnb host. I host about 8 properties here in Jamaica. Last year, I got a reservation from a group. It came in under a business name. I won't name the platform. However, they paid through bank transfer. Not uncommon. I have guests pay through bank transfer all the time. These people came in. They ordered food. And when me tell you, say some big back food, oxtail pasta, shrimp pasta, curry goat, rice and peas. We did a dinner, breakfast, and another dinner for them. So easily about $150 to $200 in food. The accommodations, they booked for 5 nights. That was about another $1,000 that they booked for. And they wanted a car. So I had a guy on property. The guy rented them a car. They paid for all of this through bank transfer. And the receipts were sent to me and the receipts were legit. After a day or two, after 2 days, I noticed that the money did not hit my bank account. I called the guy up and he's like, I'm going to call the bank. I'm going to take care of this because I have an international account. This happens sometime. Worst case scenario, I am going to withdraw the money and get the cash to you. A day passed, did not hear from them. So they're now in day 3 of being in the property, right? So I go over there morning of day 3. Front door left wide open. Key on the console. The place dirty. I mean, disgustingly dirty. And I'm gone. So I called him up and he's like, my friends probably just stepped out. No evidence that these people left another place. Not a luggage, not a pin, not an anchor, nothing not in another place, right? But he's like, I'm at the bank right now. I'm getting it sorted. I'm just going to bring the cash to you. Don't hear from him. After day 4, I realized we've been scammed, right? So I'm like, bring back the car. Bring the car back. You don't intend to pay. 7 days later, they finally bring the car back, leave it in Ocho Rios with the key on the tire. And yeah, between the car, the accommodations and the food, over close to $2,000 US. I still had to pay out the homeowner on the 3-day stay. Because honestly, I was embarrassed. I was embarrassed to tell her that me, who think I'm on my P's and Q's when it comes to business, messed that up. But for a while, I carried a lot of shame and embarrassment about it. I didn't want to talk about it. But really, it's not shame on me. It's shame on them. It's shame on people who choose to make a living by scamming and misleading honest people. All right, so just a message. Airbnb hosts, vacation rental hosts in Jamaica, beware. Anybody paying you through bank transfer, make sure that transfer comes in to your bank account before they check in. Lesson learned. Also, a lot of scamming going on with the guests, on the guest end as well, where they're being scammed. I'll talk about that in another post. Peace and love.